Hello everyone, it's Isaac Iwosho. In this tutorial, I would like to discuss with you how to screen record using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To screen record, you first need to open Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then, you're going to select the Insert tab. Hover to the top ribbon and find the Insert tab, which is here. I'm going to click on the Insert tab, move my cursor all the way to the right to an icon called Screen Recording. Click on Screen Recording and you will see 5 sets of menu options for screen recording, which will pop up on your screen. So I'm going to click on Screen Recording. You've got the first option, which is Record, which helps you start a recording. Then the second option, which is Stop, which helps you stop a recording. The third option is Select an Area, which helps you select an area of the screen you want to record. The fourth option is Audio, which enables you to turn on and off the audio recording. The fifth option is Record Pointer, which enables you to turn on and off the pointer during the recording. Now I'm going to select an area of my screen because I want to capture my full screen. So once I've selected an area, the next step is to click on Record. So once I start recording, a countdown prompt will pop up on my screen. Now this menu option will temporarily disappear once I start the recording. If you wanted to make it appear again, you hover to the top and it will appear and you can select stop or pause. So I'm going to start recording. Now you can see the countdown option. I'm going to pull up a Word document and pretend for the purpose of this tutorial that I want to review it with you. So let's pull up a Word document. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss a few tips and tricks when it comes to editing a proposal document. For today's training, we're going to focus on editing a proposal subject heading. Now, to edit a subject heading, we will go to Styles, click on Styles, and then we can see that this is heading 1. What about the second heading? This is heading 2. Is that consistent? It appears consistent. What about the third heading? The third heading is still heading 2. There is a problem. There is no consistency between the first, second, and then the third. So we want to change this to heading 3. Now let's try this again. I'm going to go to a website called, let's say, servers.com, and pretend for the purpose of this tutorial that I'm going to review it. So let's pull up servers.com. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I want to discuss a few tips and tricks when it comes to navigating servers.com. On Servers website, we see there's the company, solutions, resources, career, shop, sign in, menu options. We also have Contact Us International, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's focus on company. If I'm a customer, I probably want to look at the solutions. Okay? Now, we've reached the end of this tutorial for Servers website to review training. What next do we need to do? We need to save our recording. And remember, when you need to save your recording, you need to hover to the top center and you see the menu options pop up again. I'm going to select Stop because we're done recording. We're done recording for editing a proposal document and servers, looking at reviewing servers.com. So I'm going to click on Stop. Okay, so this is what appears on my screen. I need to save this file folder, this media folder, this recording. So what I'm going to do is to right click. So you see the option Save Media As. That's what I'm going to do. Click on Save Media As. Then I'm going to save to my desktop. Okay. And the title, let's call this Proposal Training 1, 2. Let's call it Proposal Training 2. Okay. and I'm going to save to my desktop. Now let's check the status of our recording. So this is the video. You can see that the recording has been saved, and this is what the video version should look like. Thank you for watching.